After being in exile for almost 4 decades, a Chilean man has finally received some reparation for the torture he endured. Leopoldo Garcia has won a lawsuit for moral damages he suffered during the dictatorship of General Augusto Pinochet in Chile.
There were bags of concrete covered in blood. They said, "We'll put her there and we'll shoot her so you'll see it, and then we'll kill you too."
Garcia, who is a UK resident now, claimed in court the Chilean state was responsible for his exile in 1975, and the Costa Rica-based Inter-American Court of Human Rights ruled in his favor. Also, according to a press release from the court, the Chilean state began an investigation into Garcia's case 16 years ago, but never finished. The ruling orders the country to finish this investigation. Garcia is one of many who fled the country during Pinochet's dictatorship, and he believes this could be a turning point for survivors like him. Garcia says the ruling left him not happy but satisfied, because it will now mean there's been a precedent for the whole world, so something like this will never happen again. This is the first time the court has ruled in the case of a living survivor of Pinochet's human rights abuses. Lawyers estimate more than 200,000 Chileans fled the country during Pinochet's rule. For Newsy, I'm Jamal Andrus.